Ladies and gentlemen, please don't try to do this at home. Not unless it's a boss that's below P6.
Sudden collab from Simon.
Oh, Onyx is here. Good evening, Onyx. No, more like good morning, Onyx.
Blast. That's barely 30 meters, I think. Actually, I might have put it 1 meter too early. Or too short. My god.
Oh, by the way, should we pull for Nana?
Who?
Revive Witch, Nana.
Oh, Oh, the sad dead.
Not really.
No, I have an idea. I'm gonna change up the build after this. Boom, boom, boom. Soya? Question mark? Oh, internet, your champ. Oh, this boss is dead. This boss is dead. Nice. Big damage. Big damage. Onwards. Yugaza.
Neptune PvPing now.
I do not understand why their Nayubin lasts longer than mine.
Because your gears suck.
Anemone is actually such a cute name, now that I think about it.
And now there's a fucking AC.
Wow.
Fucking god.
Trying to demonetize me, SMH. No. It's not like I care anyways, I curse all the time. You know, actually, it was pretty funny. I had a demonetized Valorant stream, and it was pretty interesting. So I just requested for review, and then I looked at the guidelines after I requested. I'm just like, oh, cursing a lot, gun violence. I'm like, this isn't gonna work. And then they approved of it later. I'm like, huh, okay, never mind, I guess.
At least YouTube is faster than Facebook. I'm telling you.
Why do you have all 110 units, piece of shit?
Oh yeah, I streamed Valorant last year on my Facebook, and it took Facebook literally 1 year to get my stream copyright strike.
I mean, I know a lot of people who stream on Facebook with that though, just like whatever.
Facebook's algorithm is trash.
Also, what do you mean I have all 110 units?
I have better gear, why is my knife been dying?
Oh, you mean that? I see.
Is it because your recommends 110 and you have 3 maids?
Show Neptune.
Remember, Neptune. The only thing that matters is substats. I'm telling you, those substats do work.
Better substat than his.
They hit differently.
He just has a better rifleman.
Aris, what level is this?
Level 2.
Level
Hopefully I kill it. I'm pretty sure I will.
2. You can.
Yeah, I just got 2 attack buffs. Let's just see how much damage it does now.
Either you kill the boss or you kill your PC. So either way, you're killing something.
Look how much crits there are. Done. Big damage.
Rosario.
Right. And it's gonna be like a 20-minute video of literally one-shotting bosses. Mone. Anemone. If you guys didn't know, you guys should try and have a young Harim as close as possible to the boss.
Why?
Because, well, if you guys didn't know, global buffs aren't global. They are 30 meters.
Can you repeat that?
Put your young harem as close to the boss as possible.
Oh, young Harim, Evelyn, and Chinatsu actually. But at a point, you can see right there, getting shoved back, right? Their maximum distance for getting shoved back will basically be like around 30 meters, which is around here where Xiaolin is. Which is how you reach, how their ult buffs, the attack buff, reaches Xiaolin. Because the ult buffs aren't global. Like it says it's global, but it's not global.
Liars.
Anemone punch, or is it kick? I think it's kick. Oh, I forgot to put Rosario down. Damn it. Yeah, you see right there. You can see that Xiaolin just got an attack buff. That's from Young Herim's ult. So she's still in range for it. But after that, after like the butt of the ship, it's past 30 range. So, 30 seconds to do the last 28 mil of HP. Onwards. Can I make it? Oh, I can. Oh, I can make it. Okay. Oh, look at that damage. Oh, can I make it? Maybe there's not enough HP. Not enough time. I lied. I lied. Nice. Nice. Alright. Cool. Xiaolin, Rosaria, Seoyun, Soyun, Yumina, Ifrit, Kim Sobin, telekinetic rifles, Lee Suyon, riflemans, big damage, as it should be.